Bukit sa ulan ba?
Cuties na to. Ano lang yabuka.
Hindi ko kamo na lang risyo ato kay noo.
Jadi naman.
Gutom na ni.
Ako pautang bulungo tong uban.
Hindi ko na
Pero ba?
Nag-iro ka sa ra.
Adrio.
Dito ikaw nag-iro sa hydro.
Chocolate ha? Biskuit ra do.
Something. Ay, dila ta. About tuna for the dog. No? Only the food. It's a dog food eat it, yes, but can't you... When we at home,
Sa bukan na para mainit sila ba? Kaya tatasan na to kusog bunga biya.
Katong kauban ini o dili lang sila mo check subay itong hydro ko. Kita na ro. To ah.
Abot sila sa hidro.
Duwa to ka grupo.
Problema dili tubig tong kauban hindi dili tumay
Dili tubig ko nang ilang bulagan.
Kani og naulahin ni ko.
Galagyo maguni sila.
Kani
Wa ka dool, wa ka na ako na kuan nga. Wala makani maniyo. Mumani dili babaw na ni ako sa babaw.
Pato ko sa amin na biya.
Sa dito na mapusupos.
Sige sir, di plaza sa
Pero na, i-mix na.
Napaka-sopas.
Sa luya
Tubig,
ka.
spread na
Just 1
tubig.
minute sir, just 1 minute.
Alas 12 na alaw na nahapit.
Ambos milya ka. Wala yung pababalo. Alas yes, pasado naman.
Alam mo na yung saya.
Sir, when was the last time you saw your
Natula ba?
balik? Balik sa salo.
Monday,
3 o'clock.
Listos na sila.
Where did you let the ito?
It was...
Your last,
Alex, what one can be split? What about 3 o'clock on Wednesday?
Wednesday, 3 o'clock, you calculated, yes.
What's the thing about the ride? And I know it was not absolutely right.
Layo pa na kayo.
Just relax, just relax.
Considering that we have a little high technology that we can provide for the search operations. But this time, we would like to inform everyone that we have positive results from yesterday's effort, search effort. We are tracking the group. So far, based on our data up in the field, the group is still in the area of responsibility of Valencia. So they haven't crossed Sibulan and San Jose yet. So they are still in Malabo area based on the tracks, the trails, the signs that we were able to gather yesterday. And also like the drone, all the resources that we are receiving now should be regulated in this office. No? Because if we will just receive all help coming in, no, that will distort the plan, the operation, that will compromise our operation up there. Okay? The plan compromise. So as much as possible, we want to regulate all the help coming in this office. Before going up there, everyone should go through this office and we will be regulating. This will be the staging area. This is where we identify what is your capability. You might just be a blogger. Okay? Trying to get monetary on social media. And you want to go up there and you don't have wilderness rescue training. You don't even have any orientation in the wilderness. You don't have mountain search and rescue training. You're just a blogger who wanted to, you know, that's why as much as possible, we wanted to regulate everything, everyone. Okay? So we will know if your help is for, you know, food, then we will designate you where you should be designated. And if you make your help, no, we would work out how your technology can pacify or can augment, no, the operation. So, so far what we are receiving is actually manpower. At this point of time, we are on top of the situation. As much as possible, we don't want too much people up in the mountain because they will destroy the trail. They will destroy the trail. So, pagkuba ang atong trail sa babaw, mag-isod na noong tag-track nila. Okay? So, we will be just choosing those people who are trained, wilderness rescue trained. No? And then so far we have ample people to do the search operation. Okay? If you wanted to go, we have here representatives from Amlan also in Sipulan. If you wanted to go, we can help their area. Okay? You go through the offices. You go through, we have Engineer Lau here from Amlan LDO. If some of you would go to Amlan and extend help, go through his office, please. Check in. Okay? So please do not go up there without the knowledge of these people, the local government building. Okay? So, your help, we will try to consider that today. Let's talk after this. Ato di ay knowledge ang atong GPNP sa Valencia, no? Dito police na to. Dito police. GPNP natin dito, bro. Anyway, let's acknowledge ang effort ko sa ato ang PNP. We have our GPNP here, Chief of Police here, no? In Valencia, and he is the Eldring officer. He is the incident commander. I'm leading the search operation, and please consider not blocking the area because you cannot help if you will go there. Okay? So all of you should go to this office. Okay? Our AFP and our PNP are so committed in controlling the crowd going up there. So, you know, to avoid misleading, to avoid misinformation on the social media, to the public, and also to not distort the operation that we are trying to do. And also we wanted to request everyone to refrain from posting information on social media something that is not verified. The official statements will be coming from the LGU, local government unit. Our Valencia LGU will be releasing the official statement. Anything that is being released, not through Valencia, is unofficial and unverified. Okay, ma'am, I believe you posted just last night. I already briefed you.